What is up, guys? We're back with another video, but today is no bikes and no cars, but it's truck and turbo worthy. We gotta drop off Turbo. He's gonna get groomed, and then we're on to wash the banana. All right, guys, we're here for a Turbo. Dropping him off, getting a little haircut. Hey, where you taking me here, Dad? Turbo, you ready? You ready? You wanna go? Okie dokie tortas, just pumped the gas real quick. And now I wanna go rinse off the truck a little bit, but the drive-through car wash was closed, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do now. So I really don't wanna do self-wash because my hands are freezing. It's 22 degrees right now. So they probably won't even open until it gets up over 30 or something. I don't know. I'm gonna pass by one more time. Maybe they're just late, but who knows? More than likely they can't open it till it gets warmer. Okay, guys. I also passed by O'Reilly's. By the way, the car wash still was closed. So I passed by O'Reilly's to get a sensor, or a fuse, I should say. It's one of these, and it keeps popping, and it's for that sensor or that fuse controls the passenger side, controls the heater on this side, and the window. What else? That's about it that it controls. So for some reason it keeps popping and I can't figure out why. So I bought a 60 fuse, whatever it's called, amp, 60 fuse amp, and we'll see if that happens. Now it works. But I feel like it's whenever you turn on the heaters, but I haven't really turned them on. And I noticed one day that, again, it had gone out because I can't roll the window down, nor can I roll it on that side. But, yep, we'll see now. I'm going to go pick up Mace, and then we're going to go eat breakfast real quick, and then head out. All right, lonchero. Now we leave. And towards Dallas to pick up some wheels for the banana. Hopefully. Yeah, Mace. We made it to Dallas so far, and we're almost there. We're like 13 minutes away. Alright, so they're going to change the tires. Just going to swap them out, that way I can have a smooth ride back home, because these are pretty bad, as you can tell. And the front ones are even worse. The front ones are pretty shocked. Yeah, mega dry rotted. But once we leave, now we go from there. Okie dokie, cheniques. Now we go back home. Hopefully the truck don't blow up or something. I got it for $100 cheap, so $100 less because it wasn't cheap. Now we go see how they feel. Got my other tires in the back. Who knows? Big old lift truck. Alright, guys, we ended up coming back. I dropped off Mace to take her nails off, and I'm just gonna come here to wash the truck real quick. Alright, we're here. Ali! They kept looking at the wheels, but it's all good now. Good wash time. Man, don't do this to your cars, guys. Bad for your paint. But it's a work truck, so it's okay. No pasa nada. Alright, chiniques. Here to pick up Turbo. Picked up Macy already. Let me see your nails. Oh, golly. Got her nails taken off. Now we're here to scoop on Turbskis. Turbskis! Where you at, Turbo? All fresh haircut. Now it's time to go to the house. Dropped off Mace. Now we go to the house. Alright, guys, so we washed up the truck already. So now I get to show you all the wheels. Clean it up a bit. Guys, it's so windy, it's making my eyes like cry. But here we go. So the truck's here now, and this is probably gonna be the first time I'm gonna start doing more videos with this truck, just because golly, it is windy. Just because this is the work truck that I use currently. So I don't want to really do much, invest much money into it, because it'll be used to carry material, paint, and all that stuff. So I feel like if I start doing more cosmetic stuff, more paint match and all that, it's really gonna bother me whenever I load it up with material. But I do plan on removing these side panels, color matching the doorknobs, and removing these fender flares. Same on these. And I'd like to do an HD front end bumper, or the 07 and up, or the 06, which the hood goes a little bit higher and the grill's a little bit different. Other than that, I think, oh, actually, yes, I remember now. So I do want to do dual tips on the truck, just because I like how they look better, and my cousin Edward has them on his truck. They really look good. So I'd like to do that, and other than that, that's about it. I mean, I don't really want to do much. Oh, actually, yes, change the taillights. I had the OEM taillights, and I plan on telling my cousin Edward to smoke them, so make them a little darker, match the wheels a little bit. And the truck already has the drop shackle kit, and that's about it. So that's it. Other than that, like, I guess you could say performance. I plan on doing the upgraded 4-piston Brembos, not Brembos, up 4-piston brakes from the OEM Chevrolet Silverados, the newer ones. So yeah, that's about it. I'll show you the interior. It's basic, not much to it. But yep. See how my paintbrush is in there. But yep. Alright guys, if you want to see other stuff to it, I don't know what you would want me to do to it. Like I said, I don't really want to do much. I don't know yet about the front end, what color I would even do, because I feel like this would be too much yellow if I do all this yellow. Maybe I can just do this, like from here to there, all black, gloss black. I don't know yet, but yep, these are the wheels. I really like how it came out, honestly. I wasn't really a fan of black. I wanted chrome wheels, but it pops out. The yellow calipers pop out. So, yep. All right, guys. Until next video, peace.